Guys, brand new video. Today we're gonna be rebuilding the engine. Got some food, got the tools, and got the little helpers. So we're just gonna be taking it apart and seeing all the new parts we need in. Seeing it shifts through gear, so I think it should be good. So we'll see. Right now we're just taking off this shifter, so it'll be easier. I thought this was JB Weld, but it's just some rust on here. We're gonna drain the oil and then pop it out. Now it's not coming out, so I just put some WD-40 and I'm trying to pry this open so I can get a flathead in there and wedge it. Alright, let's pull the oil and let's see what the oil looks like. I had it tipped over and it has a solid amount of oil. Damn, bro, this water pump is cooked. Put it up with a little bit with a toothbrush, but I'm still gonna need to clean that up way more. Taking out the case, let's sketch up something for our bolts. So let's sketch up where all the bolts go since they're different sizes, so let's take them all out now. This is what all the bolts looks like, but looks like I forgot to take some oil out, just a wee bit. Dude, it was literally running dry, so I got no clue where I went wrong. Forgot to take off the Kickstarter, so got the bolt out. Let's take that off. It is still dripping oil when it was running dry after I drained it, so I don't know. I have no idea how happy I am. Look how good this looks. I was just praying that there wouldn't be sand in here since the crankshaft is cooked with sand and there's no sand in here. So now that I know this, I'm gonna throw this back on since we don't have to mess with this right now. So I'm just gonna put the case back on and clean out the crank and then reopen it. Do that case back on. We're gonna take this side off so we can take the crank off. I'm pretty sure, I don't know that much about bottom ends, but I do know a solid amount. So we're gonna start there and see how it goes. Just pop this off. This is super rusted, so I need to buy a new one of this since I'm just gonna buy a whole new electrical system. So it runs better, but this thing is slowly getting worse. I thought it was gonna get good, but it's getting worse.